Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone just stuck on home screen and you just touch your screen and it won't respond to your touch, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to make force restart on your phone. So now it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, you just need to find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding this power button until you will see black screen. So after, just release your finger from power button and we need to see Apple logo. So when we will see Apple logo, it means that we successfully made force restart. So now mostly it helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments, and goodbye.